All right, what's up, guys? So it is Friday, and we are gonna recap what has happened this whole week, right? Of trading. So hope that you guys are actually catching your pips and profits for the week here. If not, you can always come back and back test your strategies. You can always see what happened. Now, the reason why I'm doing this is because I want to showcase you guys what to what to look for, especially what previously happened the day before NFP and like Thursday, and analyzing what has happened when the markets are closed on Friday. And that's what I'm talking about. Okay, so that's a hint, right? What has happened on Thursday all day, and what happened to the markets when they are closed for Friday. Okay, not about what has happened the whole day during NFP or what has happened during lunchtime during Friday. No, that's not what I'm talking about. So if we were to look, I'm giving you guys let's see. Okay, so let's talk about the daily chart here. And it's just easier to go off the daily chart because this is Friday here. That's closed. And this is Thursday. So you can see what has happened with Euro. Euro has been pushing itself down. This is Wednesday, Tuesday, and Monday. So if we were to look, it has been down, right? Regardless of the first 2 days of the week, right? Regardless of Monday or Tuesday. So Wednesday was a kickoff, going back down. Thursday, right? And this is Friday's candle closing. So what are we expecting for this pair to keep doing? Well, obviously, I'm expecting just to keep going down. That is what I'm looking at right now. Based on what I'm looking at based on the trend, it is downtrending. Based on the price, it is at 119, and it's gonna keep going down further. And okay, I think I'm speaking too fast. What prices I'm looking at for it to keep going down to push further would be 118, 117, and the bottom here, which is hang on. I messed up on my line. Yeah, so right at 116.5. So it's pretty crazy to see where things are headed for euro to the dollar here, right? So this is just a prime example just to look at and see where things are going for euro to the US dollar here. Now, if we were to look at gold, I know people are probably going to ask me about gold. Gold looks like it wants to come back up. Now, this doji candle can get a little tricky because based on this bullish doji, usually most of the time it just ends up going back down anyways, kind of like what it did here previously on Tuesday. And then was Wednesday's candle, this was Thursday's candle, and this was Friday's candle. Now, obviously these two candles are creating support at 1700. So I am expecting for some kind of pullback going back up, but overall, the reason why I have it at 1722 is because it never broke back higher to retest Wednesday's price at 1740. So 1722 would be the major 4 hour and 1 hour resistance if you look at that. And then if it breaks this, and then I would shoot for 1740 again. But other than that, without a major buying or like I said, without a major m- um buying buying power from retail traders or some kind of fundamental news event that's going to drive gold back up again, we could probably see gold testing even lower. The way things are going right now, this is a major support zone right now at this structure here, right at under 1680 here. Okay, this is 1680. I know the horizontal line price is blocking it, so let me move this out of the way for you guys. But you guys can see what I'm talking about. So 1680. What did I just do here? I'm sorry, guys. So 1680, right? This is the price structure I'm talking about on the daily, right? So 1680. Pretty interesting to see that 1680 probably might end up just being targeted and then maybe try and retrace from there. If 1680 does get broken, then I would look for to break 1600 and also probably test 1480, which is pretty crazy if it actually does come down that low. So overall, gold has not tested anything higher, and it hasn't retest any its major previous high resistance prices, and so it's just been testing lower. ever since. I mean, if you look at the beginning of 2021, which is right here, and we look at 1960 at the beginning of the year of January, it has been down. So very, very strong downward movement for the for gold here. So not unless gold actually finds a direction or like I said, buying power from at this price or maybe at 1680, then maybe we could see a strong key reversal price from there. But overall, the US dollar index is pretty strong. So there you guys have it. Just a quick, just a quick update here for you guys. A little bit of price action, daily chart analysis here for you guys. Obviously, what to expect. I mean, based on the U.S. dollar, this thing is still going up. Now, obviously, what's interesting right now is that this one is actually starting to pin itself back down at 92. And I probably expect a small retracement going back down to 91.5 and then maybe probably bounce back up even higher. Kind of like, like what like here and then go back higher like this. So kind of like that, So, you can't it just can't go up forever. You know what I'm saying? That's not how that's not how it works. All right. It's kind of like this and then this and then this and then this and then the consolidation and bam goes back up. You know what I'm saying? So that's basically what I'm looking at for the US dollar index right now. That would be a major buying basically buy mode going long until something major happens with the US dollar index. So yeah. And funding talent. Like I said, I recommend you guys to read up on the rules. I know a lot of you guys have been asking about what happens when you get a live account or how much of a live account you need to make. It's all in here, guys. And I know that Jessica has made a direct video on this on her page and Funding Talent's page. I mean, you gotta read this for yourself. And if you guys, I'm gonna talk a little bit about this because some people were asking like, well, I didn't know that the aggressive model has a biweekly payment. Why would it not have a biweekly payment? Of course it does. Even the classic model has a biweekly payment, but it's only 10%, right? So you get paid 10% of the profits that you make to your PayPal or bank account uh or crypto. They do crypto now, and then the rest goes into your funded earnings on your live account. The 20% goes for your aggressive model, especially for me, I get 20% and it goes into my live account. Now, I don't get the live account until I reach 75K. So for this, you guys have to understand this is just based on one account that you buy, right? Whether it be a 25K account or a 100K account. So so for me, I have a 300K, so I need to make a 75K account, live account. So that's what my goal is to have it by June 1st, if not at least by July. So the way things are going right now, I just been up and down so much for this whole week. Pretty much not. I don't know. I pretty much just broke even this whole week. So I've been. I am gonna have to take a step back on US 30 and gold at this point because they're just like all over the place for me. Yeah, I'll just be honest right now. But other than that, that is it for you guys. I hope this is, yeah, I just want to make this a short video. So other than that, I will catch you guys tomorrow for the next video. And like I said, I'm gonna update you guys um on the 17th on my next 20% aggressive payout there for you guys. So other than that, I will see you guys tomorrow for another updated content. All right, peace.